Hello, everyone, welcome back to Higaspot. After forgetting your passcode, did you make iPhone unavailable because you tried the wrong passcode many times? Then you can re-access the iPhone by resetting it. People may think of using iTunes to reset iPhone, but the operation of iTunes is a little complicated for beginners. But fortunately, there are many other alternative ways to reset your unavailable iPhone without iTunes and passcode. This video will introduce these methods step by step. The first method is using Erase iPhone feature to factory reset your iPhone without passcode or iTunes. The Erase iPhone feature comes with devices upgraded to iOS 15.2 or above. This method does not require a computer. It is a very convenient way to reset your iPhone without iTunes and passcode. There are some requirements need to be met before you take this method. First, your iPhone system is of iOS 15.2 or later version. Second, you should remember your Apple ID and password linked to the unavailable iPhone. And your iPhone need to be connected to a stable network. Besides, it is important to note that resetting iPhone will delete all data and settings of iPhone. But if you created a backup before your iPhone was locked, then you can get your data back from the backup. If you understand these premises, then let's get started. Keep entering the wrong passcode multiple times on your iPhone until the screen displays, iPhone unavailable. And you will also see the Erase iPhone option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the Erase iPhone option. Then, tap Erase iPhone option again to confirm on the next page. Enter the Apple ID password to sign out of your Apple account. Then tap the same option on the lower right to reset your unavailable iPhone without passcode or iTunes. When the reset comes to an end, your iPhone will restart automatically. And you can set it up from beginning, or restore your lost data from backup by following the on-screen instructions. You can choose to restore the data from your computer or iCloud in the Apps and Data step. If you are looking for a safe and reliable tool to reset your unavailable iPhone without passcode or iTunes, iPhone Unlocker is here for you. You can't get better than this amazing tool to reset various types of passcodes for all iPhone models. It has a user-friendly interface and simple operation. You only need a few mouse clicks to complete the operation. Step 1. Launch iPhone Unlocker on your PC or Mac. Download and install the software on your computer. Open it. Select Wipe Passcode from the menu and hit Start. Step 2. Make your iPhone detected by the software. Connect your iPhone to computer via a lightning cable. And follow the guide in the Device Connected but not recognized link to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Then, confirm the information of your iPhone on the page. After the confirmation, hit the Start button to continue. Then a relative iOS software will start downloading for your iPhone. Once done, a warning message window will pop up. It will tell you that this step will clear your iPhone and download the latest iOS version for your iPhone. Next, type 0000 according to the prompts and click Unlock. The resetting process will be initiated and last for several minutes. When your iPhone finishes the reset without passcode or iTunes, you can restore the data from backup if you have made one in prior. Then you can enjoy using your iPhone seamlessly without losing your data. If you have lost an iPhone with the Find My iPhone option activated, you can find it by logging into iCloud in a browser. This feature will also allow you to reset an unavailable iPhone remotely. To use this method, you need to make sure that your iPhone has turned on Find My option. And your unavailable iPhone should have an internet connection. Besides, the Apple ID and password is also required during the process. Use Find My to reset iPhone by the following steps. Enter iCloud.com into your web browser. Input your password when prompted. And click on the Find iPhone option on the main menu. Then a map will be displayed. At the top of the screen, there is a pull-down list called All Devices. Click on it and select your unavailable iPhone from the list. Once selected, you will be given 3 options on a small pop-up box. Choose the Erase iPhone option. Next, tap Erase to confirm the reset when prompted. You can also try Find My app to reset your unavailable iPhone, no passcode or iTunes required. It works similarly to the Find My feature in iCloud. This method requires you to use another iOS device, either iPhone or iPad. And it works only if your unavailable iPhone has the Find My feature enabled and has an internet connection. Open the Find My app on your other iOS device. And click Devices at the bottom and select the iPhone you want to reset from the list. Then, scroll down the page and tap on the Erase this device option. Tap the Continue option. And then tap the Erase option on the top right corner to perform a reset process. When this process is complete, your iPhone will restart with the setting screen. And you access your iPhone without passcode and set it up. When you forget the passcode, the above is how you can reset iPhone without passcode in iTunes. Choose a suitable method and try it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and learn more about how to unlock iPhone. Thanks for watching.